How to fix Android phone stock on boot screen. So Android phone being stuck on boot screen is not quite common. So this issue usually occurs on a device when you update your device. So in order to fix this issue, you need to simply first of all watch this video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll know how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. The first thing you need to do is first restart your device. For that, you simply need to press and hold the power button on your phone for 30 seconds and let go of it. Once the device turns off, then you need to leave the device for a minute or two. Now turn it back on to see whether your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue has not been fixed yet, then the second step you need to follow is simply boot into safe mode. So you need to simply press and hold the power button and then wait for the logo to appear. When the logo appears as shown on the screen, then you need to click on the volume down button to boot. Once done, then the safe mode will be turned on your device. Once you have done that, you need to check whether your Android phone stock on boot screen has been fixed or not. If yes, then you don't need to continue other process, but if not yet, then you need to follow the other steps. So the third step is wipe cache data. So the deleting the cache data is completely safe as this does not lead to any loss of data. So for that you need to simply need to use the volume down button and the power button. You need to first of all turn off your device completely and then press volume down and power button and at once until the device turns on. And then you need to simply use the volume button to navigate the wipe cache button. Now use the power button to wipe the cache option. Once you have done that, your cache data will be wiped and your Android phone stock on boot screen will be fixed. Last but not the least, if all this issue doesn't work, then you need to perform factory reset. For that, open the settings on your device and search for erase all data option. Or you can also search for reset option here and at the bottom tap on erase all data and then select erase all data option to reset to factory settings. So following all this step, your Android phone stock on boot screen will fix. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.